Let us now move on and take a sutram which prescribes the affix ghain. This affix ghain is a very important affix. Right now, this is just the first sutram that we are taking up, which prescribes this affix. This anuvritti of ghain runs down all the way down from this sutram 3316 up to 3355. So we'll be taking a number of rules in this section. This is the very first one. It is a simple rule which says pada ruja visha sprisho ghain. Very simple sutram. Let's remind ourselves of the fact that unless anything otherwise is stated, any krit affix is used kartari to denote the agent of the action as per 3467 kartari krit, which always we should keep in our mind. So here nothing else has been stated, so this affix ghain is prescribed by this sutram is used kartari to denote the agent of the action. The vritti is very simple. It says pada bhyo ghain syat. So this affix ghain may be used following any of the verbal roots listed below to denote the agent of the action. There are four verbal roots here. The first one is pad, which is pada gatau in the divadiganaha. Second one is ruj, which is rujo bhange, the tudadiganaha. Third one is vish, which is visha praveshane from the tudadiganaha. The fourth is sprush, which is sprusha samsparshane, also from the tudadiganaha. Now the Siddhanta Kaumudi makes a point here that the anuvritti of bhavishyati, which runs from 333 down to 3315, from 333, which is bhavishyati gamyadaya, down to 3315, which is anadyatane lut, which we have studied. That anuvritti of bhavishyati does not come into this sutram 3316. So this affix ghain which is being prescribed is not in any particular time frame. It is a general time frame. It can go in all three tenses, past, present, future, it doesn't matter. It's a samanyena vidhanam. Anuvritya bhavishyati stops at 3315. It does not come into this sutram 3316. Let's take a quick example. Padyate asau padaha. Padyate sau padaha. From the verbal root padagatau. So that which moves is the foot. Padaha. So here, what we really have is Karanasya Kartri Vivakshatra Bodhya. This is from the Tattvabodhini commentary. It says that we have to understand that here the foot is really the instrument of the action. The foot doesn't move, the foot doesn't go. It's really a person who goes by means of his foot, using his foot. So really the Padaha is the Karanam. But for the purpose of this sutram, we are going to impose the Kartritvam, the agency itself, on this karanam. So here this karanam is being looked at as the agent. So karanasya kartri vivakshatra bodhya. What really means is that padyate gacchati yena iti phalitorthaha. So resulting meaning is that really that by means of which someone goes. But for the purpose of derivation, we will take this karanam as the kartri itself. Okay, so pada plus ghain by the sutram 3316, pada ruja vishas prasho ghain, and of course by 3467 kartari krit, this affix is being used here in the sense of the agent of the action, the one who moves. Derivation is very simple. Remove these letters. Nyakarasya sanya bhalantyam, ghakarasya sanya by lashakvatadite tasya lopaha. Now the nyakaraha of the affix ghain being a it allows us to use 72116 ata upadhayaha to do the vridhyadeshaha. Upadha vridhiradeshaha, which is the akaraha, the upadha akaraha of pad gets the vridhyadesha. So we get pada, which gives pada as the pratipadikam, gets a pratipadika sanya by krit tadita samasa. It will decline like Rama Shabdaha. Let's take one more quick example here. Rujati rogaha. Rujati rogaha. Rujati, that which pains, afflicts. This verbal root ruj, rujo bhange, from the tudadiganaha. It has a few meanings. It means to break to pieces, destroy, also to pain, injure, to afflict. So that is the meaning here, which is to pain or afflict, means it's a disease. So rogaha of course means disease, derived from the verbal root ruj. So same thing here, we bring in the affix ghain by the sutram 3316, which says pada ruja vishas prisho ghain. So Panini specifically mentions this verbal root ruj in that. So we use it in the sense of kartari, the agent of the affliction. And then remove these letters just as before by halantyam lashakvatadite tasya lopaha. And here the ending jakara or the angam ruj takes the ka varga gakaradesha by 7352. Chajoho ku ghinyatoho. So because this affix ghin has the gakara as it, it allows us to apply 7352. Chajoho ku ghinyatoho. So it's a git pratyaya. Ghin, so the ending jakara of the angam ruj takes the ka varga gakaradesha. So we get rug and now we do the gunadesha by 7386. Uganta lagupadasya cha. The upadha ukaraha takes the okaradesha. Gunadesha. We get rog. So now roga gets the prajpadika sanya by krit tadita samasascha. It means a disease, that which afflicts. And this is also declined like ram shabdaha.